Hi everyone, welcome to statistics video. For this video we're going to be looking at how to calculate a mean given a frequency table. So it says the following summarizes the number of fiction books read last summer by a sample of 32 students at a certain college. What is the mean number of books read? Now here's the thing, what this makes it hard. You can't simply just add up these numbers and divide by 4. Okay, because this is a frequency table. So what this is saying is, if we look at this table, that within this first row, there were 3 students who read 2 books. So really, it's like listing the number 2 3 times. And if I look at the second row, that's like saying the 8 students read 3 books. So you have to list 3 8 times, and so on. So you could do it that way. You could list out all the numbers if you'd like, but that is a little tedious and sometimes a little too cumbersome to deal with. So what I typically do is I calculate the mean in this way. So the first thing is I know that 3 students read 2 books, right? So I know there's going to be 3 2s, just like we saw here. Alright, and then I'm going to add. How many students read 3 books? Well, 8 students read 3 books. So that means there's going to be 8 3s, which we talked about there, and so on. So I'm going to say plus 13 times 4, right? There are 13 students that read 4 books, and then 8 students that read 7 books. And now, just like when you calculate the mean in any case, you always divide by the total number. So remember, the total number of students here, they told us is 32. So now, when you plug this into your calculator, I'm just going to caution you, make sure that you do this top first. Find out what that is. And so when I do that, I get 138 divided by 32. And then divide. And then it says round your answer to at least 1 decimal place. And so if you look at this here, let's see, if I want 1 decimal place, I'm going to look at the 1. Well, the 1 is not 5 or bigger, so it's just going to stay as 4.3. So on average, they read about 4.3 books. That's what these students read.